Good morning from Kuwait, guys. I was thought I could give you a little grand tour of our house or our apartment. We got our lounge here, our kitchen. It's got everything you need and a water cooler because we go through lots of water every day. Mum's really happy that we have a washing machine. And me and Oscar's room, really nice in here because we have a very nice view of Salmiya. It's really cool, guys, and they have A and B signs. Here's the bathroom, everything for your bathroom needs. And then Mum and Dad's bed. And they also have a very nice view of Salmiya and the mall there. Hope you guys enjoyed that room tour. See ya. We're gonna go check out the mall.
This is our apartment hotel and we are just going to head out from our apartment and we're off to, good morning guys, we are off to the mall
Morning.
to go and get a cold drink.
Feel the heat out here.
Whoa, it is hot as soon, it's already 42 degrees, I think it's nearly, it's not even midday yet. This is where we're staying here in Kuwait.
Yeah, the roads are so quiet at this time of the day, everything is so quiet because it's literally so hot they all reckon they run away from the heat. Look at it, the roads are like...
Roads are kind of empty here. This area here is called Salmiya and we're not far from the Boulevard Mall, which is a huge mall and a huge park here with air conditioning and cold drinks. Salam alaikum.
So me and Oscar have got quite a bit of experience with this mall, haven't we?
Yeah.
Spent a bit of time in here yesterday and the day before.
So we know our ways around it.
Yeah.
Categorise the supermarket.
Yeah, it's a beautiful place. Absolutely buzzing at night time. Like this place just comes alive when it cools down here.
So see, it totally looks so empty outside. We didn't even know, like I would actually think it's not even open. Everything is so quiet outside, but it's all open. No one comes out at this time of day.
Except us.
Because we're crazy. We're crazy people.
Ice chocolate.
So Kuwait is definitely not a backpacking or budget kind of destination. We've just ordered some drinks at Starbucks. It costs 1 KD 80, 1.8 KD for a small drink here in Starbucks, which is $6 US.
That's quite
And they're
a lot
ready.
of
I'll
money.
go and grab it.
I'll go with
Got there, Oski?
a chocolate ice. Ice chocolate.
What do you got?
Let's be here.
Ice chocolate?
What you got, Harry?
A mocha, but for you, Dad.
Nice.
Nice. And I've got an ice latte.
Oh, they look good. Right, we've just been to the Boulevard Mall. Loved it there. We are going to go and check out the Marina. Is it? Marina Mall. We just hopped into the cab. This gentleman's going to take us there, and he's from no other than Pakistan.
Yes.
Yeah. So here we go. That was we consider that a pretty big mall, and apparently this next one we're going to is enormous. So let's go and check it out. Yeah, apparently this place is enormous. What are you expecting here, Harry?
I'm expecting lots of designer shops,
Yeah.
electronic shops, and lots of perfume.
The other side of the wall.
hot to cold, because when you're outside you're really hot, and then when you come into malls with air conditioning it's freezing.
Wow, look at this.
Look at all the super yachts.
Whoa.
Which one would you have, Dad?
Oh God, just chuck me. Probably this one down here, mate. That'll do me.
Oh yeah.
Look at this place. Wow, this is beautiful. Stunning.
Should we go for a little dip?
Okay guys, we're going to wrap this up now. We've taken you through, we're just down at the marina, we're going to have a little wander around and sort of ogle over the boats and see which one we want. And head back to the apartment. We're going to eat the amazing dinner our friend dropped off last night.
Our friend Mohammed from Kuwait, last night he dropped off this most beautiful looking rice, like a biryani with beautiful meat. So we're going to go back and enjoy that.
Absolutely. So that's it from us. See you on the next day.
See you on the next day.